You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this phrase, the name of this mountain. It's originally a mountain in France, in the French Alps, the highest mountain in the Alps. And it's a brand name of luxury pens, I believe, mainly pronounced in French as Mont Blanc. Mont is French for mount. The T is silent, as you've heard. Mont, it's a very French specific O sound, which doesn't really exist in English, but Mont Blanc. The C is silent at the end, so it's not Mont Blanc, it's Mont Blanc. Mont Blanc. In English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, many will say it as Mont Blanc. Indeed, it should be Mont Blanc. How to pronounce French pronunciation? Mont Blanc. In English, you can use the pronunciation as Mont Blanc. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.